Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can add keyframes to your video or photo in CapCut app. For instance, I'm going to open my project. So there is a photo and then I'm going to make it zoom in and zoom out effect using keyframes. So click on the clip. I'm going to adjust for the duration. In 5 seconds. So make sure in the first frame, click on the clip, select keyframe button right here, swipe to the right, and you can resize using 2 fingers. Okay, just for the scale, and then swipe to the right again, adjust for the scale again, zoom in, and so on, zoom out, zoom in again, to the last frame, zoom out. Alright, here we go. This is the final effect you have on your video, on your photo. Yeah, that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. I think this video is especially for those of you who are using CapCut for the first time. Yeah, if you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.